almost every day. She used to shout.
Prophesy, mommy. Go the party more.
Where the attack used to come from is this side. Look at your yard. Look at this window. Look at that window. Fair. Are you hearing me? That's why don't open that window. You know, use the house.
Prophesy. Go the party, mommy.
That won't say that I should warn you not to open that window. Because they are through that window they are fighting this baby. There was a day she didn't want to sleep again. Because she cried and wake up 2 times. The second time, she didn't want to sleep again till 5 o'clock. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Accurate prophecy, mommy prophesy.
So that they will not kill your baby. My God will be with you. And nothing will happen to you. And nothing will happen to your baby. Where is the other one? I'm seeing another one. I'm seeing another person. I'm seeing another person. Yeah? 2 of them. Yes, 2 of them.
Accurate prophecy. Prophesy, mommy.
I'm talking about a male child. A male child. I'm seeing a male child in your home.
I receive it in Jesus' name.
As that's, you know, there are 2 of your children that be a girl. They are behaving like a man.
Yes.
They are man. But they turn them.
I know.
Accurate prophecy, mommy prophesy.
2 of them, they are not here.
Yes.
They behave like a man.
Yes.
Because they are man. But they told him they changed them.
I knew the time.
The first one was changed when you was 6 months pregnant. That's why you wanted to have miscarriage. Is it true?
Yes.
Accurate prophecy, mommy prophesy.
The second one, they changed it when that one was 4 months pregnant. You wanted to have miscarriage.
Yes.
Did they admit you in the hospital? Did they admit you in the hospital?
No.
What?
I went.
You went.
Later they discharged me, but I was not admitted.
Go the party more.
Because why I am asking you this thing, because I saw you in the hospital.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 2 times. 2
Prophesy.
times.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, whatever thing they have done because of land,